Everyone, this is Iman here to discuss about that what are keywords and what are which tools are used for the keyword searching. So before starting my video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel, share with your friends and press the bell icon for new notification. So let's start our topic, keywords and which tools are used for keyword searching. Basically, keywords play an important role in our online earning world. Which keywords we are using is too much important, because different people are searching different things according to their own mindset, according to their own words. Maybe one person find out that which brand is top on 2020 on AliExpress, and maybe one person search that in 2022 which brand is in 2022 on AliExpress, which brand is on top. So maybe one search about they show me the top brands on AliExpress, Alibaba AliExpress. So this thing is these searching are called keyword research. Which keywords are we using is basically the topic of our today. So research keywords, you can gain your knowledge about research keywords from Google by putting as word keywords. What are keyword examples? We can see here examples. Keyword, the word and phrases that people type into the search engine to find out what they look for. For example, if you are looking to buy a new jacket, you may type something like men's leather jacket into Google. Even though that phrase consists of more than one word, it's still a keyword. Now you also understand what is keywords. There are different types of keywords, because there are millions of people are searching on one thing on any online website, and he can use anyone can use different type of keywords for their findings. So let's see that which tools are used for keyword searching. So first one is SEMrush. This is the keyword searching tool used for search keywords, and these are some its properties and its pricing, its standards. Second one is KW Finder. Third one is Ahrefs Keyword Explorer, Google Keyword Planner, Growth Bar. This one is Longtail Pro, Majestic Keyword Tool, Substate, Moz Keyword Explorer, SpavFu. Just these are some tools which we use for best keyword searching, and I also understand what is keywords and why we use keywords in online earning, and which tools are basically used for online earning. So I also understand for the next video you wait for to still watch our channel and wait for the next video.